Oh, hi everybody. Wanted to introduce you to our new friend. And this is, what are we going to call you? Pete? Can you say pretty bird? Hello? Just a jabber. Can you say anything? Hello? No? Well, anyway. He doesn't have anything to say because, want to get up on my finger? No, doesn't even want to get up on my finger. Can you believe that? So, your name is Pete. Hello, Pete. Hello, Pete. Hello, Pete. Want to get on my finger? There you go. So, I don't know. I guess you just have to work with them a little bit every day. And, haven't had any problems with the cats. They just don't even pay really too much attention. But sure is a lot better than a horse. That's all I can say. Okay, well, let me go get the other guy. This is Pete. I think we'll call him Pete. Unless we can come up with another name, right? Don't get on my finger. Here you go. No. You do make a funny noise. Did he make a funny noise? Okay, well. Let me go and get Pete. Let's just stay, huh? My goodness. Okay, well, let's go get Pete. Be right back. Hello, Pete. Oh, no, the other one's Pete. Hello? Hello. How are you? I see you, too. Let's go. Why, you guys... Okay, I see you too. That's a pretty bird. You are the noisy. Yeah. Well, I love you too. Yeah. I see you too. Well, this now, I'm not sure what we're going to call this guy. Right? Well, what's your name? Well, well, you're pretty funny. Well, where do you come up with all of this? I don't believe it. So what are we going to call you? Well, I love you too. Well, what does Pete think about this? Here, Pete. Oh, no. They must have, been in a manufacturing plant or something where it was noisy all the time. You are something else. Well, anyway, there's the new guys. They're beautiful. I hope you enjoy them. We'll make another picture very soon. Yeah, we will. What's Pete think? Pete? Oh, there's Pete. Boy, they both get going. Well, what a pretty bird. So I don't know much about bird training. Nah, you are silly. Okay, well, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Say hello, Jake. Well, what a pretty bird. Okay, say bye-bye. Okay, we'll see you later. Later, alligator. think we'll bring him along as bait. Bait. Okay. Goodbye. We'll talk to you later. Say goodbye. Bye.